And now let's check out Abu Dhabi stocks. We can see nice recovery coming in. Aldar Properties is just going sideways after making this big momentum to the upside. There are very good chances it can continue its upside momentum. It's been just going sideways and trading in the range for more than 2 weeks. If we see a breakout of 5.75, then there are chances it may even retest 6.00. Multiply is struggling. This area is resistance, that is 3.70. We can see after a recovery it hit the resistance for the first time, getting rejected. For now this move cannot be trusted because this is just the correction phase of this move to the downside. So we may see some buying coming in and then we may see a drop to the downside. So for now we cannot trust this move. Let's wait for a bullish price action and then we take our entries. Q holding is also struggling, but if you are someone who likes to buy a stock that is range based, then this is the one. Check this out. After making a move to the upside, for now we can see it's just making zigzag. That is, this is support area, this is resistance. We are seeing a bounce from the support area, so there are good chances it may hit the resistance, come down, and then whenever we will see a breakout of this area, that is 3.40, this is when we will confirm that now fresh trend to the upside has started. For now there are chances it can break the support, go down. Next area of support is at 3.15. Apex has disappointed us because we can see it has breached this support line that was been respected again and again. With this last red candle, clearly we can see it has broken the trend line. And now there are good chances it can revisit 2.00, but at the same time, mind you, there are chances when market makes a fake breakout, very next day or next week it bounces back above the trend line and then immediately it reverses and goes up. Next area of resistance is at 2.15, support as I just mentioned at 2.00. In case if this is broken, then there are very high chances it can even come down to revisit 1.90. RAK Properties, no big buyers are interested as of now. We can see it's struggling to keep above 1.00. It's been trying to break the area of resistance of 1.05. Unfortunately, we are seeing selling pressure coming in. It's not able to sustain the gains, clearly indicating sellers are aggressive. Area of support that should be considered is 1.00. Next area is 0.95. And then Burjeel performed very well. It was one of the best performer last week. I had recommended this stock to my members as well. First entry was about 3.06, next entry about 3.11, and we can see big move coming in. As of now, if you're planning to enter right at the top, it's a bit late. Your stop loss will be very big. It will not give you proper risk to reward ratio, so always plan your entries with money management and your risk. And then Preside performed exactly as per the analysis. I had given a early bird entry right at the bottom around 2.30, and from here we saw a momentum to the upside at 2.50. I have been mentioning this area is resistance, watch out. In case if you're bought at the lower levels, then you have to book your profits around this zone. Look at this guys, how nicely it's getting rejected at our marked zone. Just in case if you have missed that video, you want to understand the price action, how it's getting rejected, I will provide an iCard right at the top. Watch that video so that you can understand the reason for rejection right at 2.50. M Steel as of now is in a no trading zone. Yes, it has made a bullish chart pattern, but for now it's just dropping down. It's trying to climb up, but we are seeing some aggressive sellers in the market. So till the time it's above 1.50, it's in a no trading zone. There are chances it may hit the resistance, come down to retest the lower support areas, that is around 1.35, 1.38. Fertiglobe, after the dividends and price adjustments, it's not able to go higher. We can see a nice bullish run, and this was the place where price got adjusted. It has created this gap, so sooner or later I think it will try to fill up this gap. Area of resistance is at 3.36. As of now we can see some buying pressure coming in right from the support area, that is around 3.15. Stop losses would be tight, so this can be a early bird entry. And then Invest Corp Capital, nothing interesting for now. It's just at the same area where it got listed, that is at 2.30. Any buying should be considered about 2.32 to 2.33 so that we can confirm it's breaking the resistance area and buyers are interested to now push the prices higher. For now in a no trading zone, watch out, it's coming down every day, but at the time of close market is adjusting the price to close it at 2.30. ADN Ports is interesting, but it's not able to survive near the support zone that is at 6.35. We are seeing last closing is at 6.29. There are chances we may see buying pressure coming in, but for that to happen, we want to see a gap up opening so that it can break this resistance and go above it. If it closes above 6.35, this will be a good indication that it will try to break the resistance of 6.50. ADN Gas is picking up very nicely. We can see this is the gap that it has created. It has already filled up the gap. So we can say it has recovered very nicely after the price got adjusted due to the dividends. Previously we can see it was following this trend line. It was respecting whenever the price was coming at the trend line, we could see bounce. So in order to be bullish again, I want the price to jump above the trend line. It has to cross above 3.40, that is next area of resistance. Also it is a profit booking area. And then ADN Logistics and Services very nicely performed. It picked up from this area that is around 3.35, and when it hit the resistance area, it got rejected. It spent some days here near the resistance, and then finally it made a breakout. My recommendation to my members was above this area that is 3.70, and we already hit our target of 3.85 area. For now it's looking a bit weaker. It's opening with gap down, indicating buyers are not interested for now. There are chances it can even come down to retest 3.70 again, and then maybe we can see some price action coming in. So guys, this was a quick update. I hope I have included your stock as well. If it was helpful, support the channel, hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.